Chapter 2, Create and Manipulate Table using Power BI. So please follow me on my Facebook, Prof. Dale, and then YouTube channel for more videos and tutorials. So here are my accounts for Facebook, Prof. Dale, YouTube, Prof. Dale 7, and then my, if you want to avail our training, iMerge IT Consultancy. Okay, so with this one, let's get started. So let's say we would like to create a table using Power BI. So we'll be using Power BI Desktop. Okay, so for us to create a table using Power BI, let's say we don't have any reference like Excel or SQL Server. So this is what you're gonna do. So I'm gonna press Insert here, Modeling, Views. Okay, so go to the Enter Data here under Home. You click it, then this will give you the capability to create your own table. So with this one, let's say you're gonna create the column for department. Okay, next would be the value of this column would be, let's say, accounting. Okay, so next is research department. Now would be human resource. Okay, now if you would like to add some column on your right, yes, you just press the plus sign there. So let's say employee name. Of course, let's say my name. Next would be, let's say, James. Let's say Jess. Okay, next would be designation. Okay, so for designation would be manager, attendant, guard. Oh, sorry. Um, Not attendant. Let's say here, researcher, recruiter, salary. Say 100 pesos, 50 pesos, and then this one would be, let's say, 25. So and then you're gonna name this one as, let's say, information. Okay, so we're gonna load it. So when you press load, you just wait for the table to generate. So once done, it will appear on this field. On the right side, the field section. There. So I think we're good here. So let's say you would like to add another value. Just press option here and then edit query. Okay, so with the edit query, we just press this one, the source here, click source here. Okay, there. So let's say we would like to populate a value here. Let's say security, security, and then let's say bulldog, guard, then this one, let's say 5 pesos. So click OK here. There. So we could see the a new row was added the moment I press source here for me to modify that table. So if let's say here salary, the data type, it's text. So let's say you would like to change this one, just press this one to, let's say, a whole number. There, click insert. There, so it changed from text to integer. Okay, so we press this one for us to save the changes, close and apply. Okay. Okay, for us to test, you just click table here, then drag it there, employee. Okay, so it's working. Designation and then department. And there. So I think we're done with this one. So this ends our tutorial for creating table using Power BI and modifying it as well at the same time. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.